coming out to now to how to plan an IAP. This is a question which is very important. How to actually work out, how we need to reach out. Don't we have questions in our mind that where is the audience? How will I grab that audience? Is it right? Where is the audience? How do I grab that audience? Can I have some answer? How are the ways? So these are the ways which I've written it down. So first is, and there is again a step up. The first thing is to reach out to your clients. Reach out to your clients and inform them. See, the most important thing is that we forget when we are talking to our clients, they are somewhere placed at some positions. Either they are business owners, either they are corporates, they are at senior corporate levels, or they are in HR, or they are working somewhere, or they might be a single business with the industrialist or somebody or the other. But he is having a network. He might be a useful guy to get into some networks. So reach out to your old clients. So if they're a businessman, they have, let's say, the easiest way to do an IAP or understand about how to target and start the market is tell your old clients, call up them if you are having a chat with them, and they let's say they are a business owner, they have an office and they have a team of around 15-20 people. Now tell them that there are 15-20 people of your employees. They, whatever scale they are, don't even think about scale all level. Just try to ask them that your team also need guidances. And I can deliver and make them understand, and it's going to be a free session. Give the free sessions in the beginning. Tell them that it's something which your add value, and they will understand because they trust onto you. And Adam, that I take sessions for a lot of corporates. Tell them, inform that I want to do session at your office. Try to do that. That's the first step, because giving a small team of 15-20 working in a small corporate with not very senior high level, a medium level, will listen to you, and they also need your expert advice. Your confidence level increases, and that makes you a difference. So start reaching out to your old clients with business houses which have small corporates, small teams, 15, 20, 30 people. Try it out with them. Then reach out to your these clients which are working in corporates, who are already in the corporate level, or they might be knowing some HR team in their offices. Reach out to them then. But this has to be done before you establish certain your confidence level is being there that you can conduct an IAP. Reaching out to these levels will be only possible when you actually deliver at least 10 to 15 sessions separately at some places. If it can be physical, it would be wonderful, because the confidence level and the changes is different. But try to, if it's not right now, currently, what is the scenario? Take out online sessions. All these offices, all these corporates, all these small business houses are on Zoom nowadays. So try to figure it out how they can be done. That can be done. First, try to have 10 to 15 sessions at least before moving out to corporates and trying to reach out to these HR teams. So all these, we all might be having clients who are sitting down in corporates. Do we have all clients sitting down in corporates? Yes, I think so, at senior levels. Do we have? Yes, absolutely, Kaushik. Yes, Sitesh, thank you. Thank you. We all have these corporate people sitting down in corporates, and they have trust in you. You are being serving them from years, and they have trust in you. Just tell them that I can conduct a session for your corporates. If it's a small size also, it's okay. I can take a session. I've been taking a session. Give your credentials in the right way. Inform them what can be done, how I present. Tell them and connect with the HR teams, because you have to connect with the HR team who further on take it, because every corporate has a learning and development teams, and they want good people to speak about. They want their employees to learn. That's what I have been doing. I've been taking session in all these corporates, all these senior corporates, whether from PepsiCo to Asian Paints to all the Tata Motors to all these companies I've been taking sessions with. And these are all being connected through HR teams only. And these are the people who, so there can be, if you don't think about big sizes right now, think about small corporates also, because your confidence level increases as you start increasing your level, and your understanding about IAPs also increase. Most importantly, start informing your network. Try to talk to everybody, whether he'll do an IIP or not. Start informing them that I do IIPs, I take sessions, I do IIPs. Somebody or the other will come back to you. Believe me, they also want somebody or the other to speak about. They will come back. Just start informing. They might get you in touch after 2 months or 3 months or 4 months, you don't know. But start informing your networks. Then association and network groups. Put them across so that people can be part of Rotaries or others. Try to take session, industrial sectors where you have some association of industries. Reach out to those industries. So there can be your client who can be the president of or secretary of a industrial area. So try to reach out with them that they also conduct a lot of these sessions. Try to reach out and take smaller sessions with them. Then small business houses, you can take the thing which I told you, that this is the one thing which you can even start with the beginning itself. So these are the areas which you can concentrate, but do it slowly. Take it in from the smaller sector, small size. Don't reach out to the bigger numbers till the time you are 100% confidence. Okay. So smaller sizes will make you your confidence grow, and you can go to the next level. Are we good? Understood? Can I have yeses? Yes, awesome. Thank you, Hitesh. Thank you so much. So,
subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.